Hi dear students, hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to study solving systems of linear equations. Okay, in the previous lessons we have studied how to find a linear equation. Okay, what was linear equation? Linear equation had two forms. Okay, first one, y is equal to mx plus n, where m and n are elements of real numbers. Okay, and also ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the second form, where a, b, and c are elements of real numbers. Okay, now we are going to study how to find the values of x and y. Okay, it means solving systems of linear equation. Okay, a system of linear equation is just a set of two or more linear equation. Okay, in two variables, it means x and y. As you see here, we have y, we have x. They are variables. M and n are constant. Okay, and also in this form also we have two variables, x and y. The graph of a system of two equations is a pair of lines in the plane, and I will gonna show you. Okay, there are three possibilities. The lines intersect at 0 point. It means the lines are parallel. When the lines are parallel, we have said that when the lines are, for example, this is y-axis. Okay, when the lines are parallel, they never intersect. Okay, the line intersect at exactly 1 point most cases. Okay, as you see, for example, this is the analytic plane. We have a line here, and also we have a line, for example, here. It intersects in 1 point at the most cases. Okay, the third possibility, the line intersect at infinity many points. The two equations represent the same line. Okay, for example, this is the analytic plane. Okay, we have a line, and also the other line is completely lying on the same line. Okay, it means d1 and d2. So they have many infinity intersects, and also the two equations represent the same line. It means they are lying on each other. It intersects in infinity many points. Okay, in every point they what intersects. Okay, look into the graphs. First graph, they are parallel to each other. Okay, when they are parallel to each other, they never intersect. Intersect, it means they are going to intersect at 1 point, but in parallel lines they never intersect, so they have zero solution. Okay, as you see in the third graph. Okay, in the third graph they are lying on each other. It means what? It means they have infinity many solutions. It means they are intersecting in infinity many points. In every point they intersect. Okay, because they are lying on each other. In second graph, they intersect in 1 point. Okay, that we have said most cases are intersecting in 1 point. Okay, so it has just one solution. Okay, now we are going to study the methods to solving a linear system. Okay, the first method is elimination. Another way of solving a linear system is to use the elimination method. In the elimination method, you either add or subtract the equations to get an equation in one variable. When the coefficient of one variable are opposite, you add the equations. Okay, when the coefficients are opposite, it means, for example, if we have minus x and plus x, okay, we are going to eliminate it. Okay, it means we are going to cancel it. And also, to eliminate a variable, and when the coefficients of one variable are equal, you subtract the equations to eliminate a variable. Okay, when they are, for example, plus x and plus x, you are going to subtract them. It means you have to multiply a minus with that system. Okay, for example, look, 3y plus 2x is equal to 6. The first system. The second one, 5y minus 2x is equal to 10. Okay, we have two variables, y and x. Let me check if we can fall down the variable. We have plus 2x, we have minus 2x. We are going to add them. Okay, if they are opposite, we are going to add them. Look, when we add them, plus 2x and plus minus 2x, they are going to be cancelled. Okay, what left? 3y and 5y. 3y plus 5y is equal to 8y. And also 6 plus 10 will be 16, okay? Okay, so how can we find the value of y? We are going to divide both sides of the equation of 8y is equal to 16, both sides of the equation by the coefficient of y. I'm sorry, with 8. 8 cancels with 8, so y is equal to 16 over 8 is equal to 2, okay? Now we find the value of variable y. So, and also we need x, okay? What should we do to find x? The value of y can now be substituted into either of the original equation to find the value of x, okay? We found that y is equal to 2. Now we substitute this y into the equation, okay? The equation was 3y plus 2x is equal to 6. What is the value of y? Y is 2. So 3 times 2 plus 2x is equal to 6. Now 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2x is equal to 6. Now we move 6 to the other side of the equation. It means 2x is equal to 6. It's positive, and the other side it will be negative. 2x is equal to 6 minus 6 is 0, okay? So if we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, so we cancel, x is 0 over 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. We found that x is 0 and y, what? 2. The solution of the linear system is 0 and 2, as you see here. And also, if you don't have equations where you can eliminate a variable by addition or subtraction, okay, you can begin by multiplying one or both of the equation with a constant to obtain an equivalent linear system where we can eliminate one of the variables by addition or subtraction. As you see here, in the previous question, we had plus 2x and minus 2x. Easily we can eliminate it, okay? But in here, as you can see, the coefficients are completely different. What should we do? We should look multiplying one or both of the equations. One or both of the equations with a constant, for example with a number, to make the coefficients equal, okay? So in here, as you see, we have 3x plus y, and also we have 5x plus 4y. The coefficients of x are different and the coefficient of y are different. How can we find the number to multiply with the system to make an equal coefficient? Okay, if we multiply this equation by minus 4, okay, by minus 4, we get minus 4y here, and we can easily eliminate it, okay? As you see here, begin by multiplying the first equation by minus 4 so that the coefficient of y are opposites. It means it become minus 4y and it's also for 4y. Then we can easily cancel them. As you see here, we multiplied, look, 5x plus 4y is equal to 22. This was the second equation, okay? And the first equation, that was 3x plus y is equal to 9, okay? We multiply this equation by minus 4. So we get minus 4 times 3x minus 12x minus 4 times y is equal to minus 4y. And also minus 4 times 9 is equal to minus 36. So now as you see, the coefficients of y are opposite. Then we easily, what? We can cancel them, okay? Then minus 12, 5 and minus 12 is equal to minus 7x. 22 minus 36 will be minus 14, okay? So we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, okay? Then, as you see here, minus 7x is equal to minus 14. We divide both sides by minus 7. Minus 7 cancels with minus 7. X equals to minus 7, 14 over minus 7 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. And also, in order to find the value of y, we are going to substitute this value into the equation, okay? What was the equation? 3x plus y is equal to 9. So what's x? X is 2, okay? As you see here, 3 times 2 plus y is equal to 9. 6, 3 times 2, 6, plus y is equal to 9. We move y to the other side, becomes minus. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. And the solution of this linear system is 2 and 3, okay? It means x is 2, y is 3. Okay, another method for solving linear system is substitution, okay? A way to solve a linear system algebraically is to use the substitution method. The substitution method functions by substituting the one y value with the other, okay? We are going to explain this by using an example, okay? As you see here, also this is a linear system, okay? The first method was what? Elimination. That we are going to add them or subtract them, the opposite coefficients, okay? And also in the substitution method, we are going to find the value of y and substituting in the other equation, okay? We can substitute y in the second equation with the first equation since y is equal to y, okay? Because they are equal, so their y's are also equal. We can look, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. We need y, okay? We need y. How can we find y? So we move y to the other side of the equation and 4 to this side of the equation, okay? It means 2x minus 4 becomes plus 4 in this side. And also minus y becomes positive at that side. So we found the value of y, that it's 2x plus 4. Now we are going to substitute this value into here, okay? So 3x plus y is equal to 9, this equation. Now instead of y, we have to write 2x plus 4. 3x plus 2x plus 4, it means y is equal to 9. Now 3x plus 2x is 5x. And also 4 itself is equal to 9. We move 4 to the other side, okay? 9 minus 4 becomes 5. So we are going to divide both sides of the equation by a 5. 5 cancels with 5. 5 over 5 is 1. X is equal to 1. And also we are going to substitute the value of x into the equation to find y. Okay? Y is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay? As you see here, y is equal to 2x plus 4. What was x? X is 1. So 2 times 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. So the solution of this linear system is what? What was x? 1. What was y? 6. Okay? This is the solution. Solution of the linear system above. Okay. Let's solve these two examples. Okay. First example, 2x plus y is equal to 7. And also, we have 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 18. Okay? Look, we have plus 2x, we have plus 2x. We cannot cancel them. But how we can cancel them? We are going to multiply a minus 1. Doesn't matter, either for this or for this. Okay? If you multiply minus 1 with the first linear equation, minus 1 times 2x plus y equals to 7. So it will be minus 2x minus y and minus 7. So what was the second? 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 18. Okay? So now we can eliminate them. Okay? 2x cancels with 2x. Minus y and minus 4y is equal to minus 5y. Equals to minus 7 and minus 18 will be minus 25. Now we can divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of y. So y equals to minus 25 over minus 5 is equal to 5. We found the value of y, okay? We can substitute the value of y into the equation to find x. So 2x plus y is equal to 7. What was y? Y is 5. 2x plus 5 equals to 7. We move 5 to the other side. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 5. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. So the solution of this system is 1 and 5. It means value of x is 1, value of y is 5. Okay? Look at the second example. We have minus x plus y is equal to 6. 4x minus 4y is equal to 9. We are going to solve this equation by substituting method. Okay, we have to find the value of y. How can we find minus x plus y is equal to 6? So in order to find the value of y, we are going to move minus x to the other side. So y is equal to 6. Minus becomes plus, plus x. Now we find the value of y. Okay, now we are going to substitute in this equation. Okay, 4x minus 4y is equal to 9. So 4x minus 4. What's the value of y? 6 plus x is equal to 9. 4x minus, we are going to multiply with each term. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Minus 4x is equal to 9. Plus 4x with minus 4 is cancelled. Minus 24 is equal to 9. As you see, they're not going to be equal. So our linear equations doesn't have any solution, okay? It means these two lines, if you draw the graph of these two lines, they are parallel to each other, okay? They never intersects. They never intersects. So it doesn't have any solution, but I showed you the way of method of what? Substitution. Okay, dear students, this was our lessons for today. Thanks for watching.